I truly never appreciated the fact that when you have a tan, you kind of always look good, even in the mornings. And now I get up and I look in the mirror and there's like a ghost in front of me. I don't even know. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be getting ready with all of you. This is sort of my German winter pale dry skin edition. I truly haven't been this pale in a long time. My skin is so dry, it's struggling, it really is. So I'll be showing you guys the makeup that I've been doing and also the skincare that I do beforehand, just to feel less pale and less dry and just to look a bit more glowy. I've had a shower, I've just washed my hair obviously. This is my new bathroom. I know that this is kind of ugly, but I haven't really been able to figure out another angle, so hope that's all right with you guys. Gonna start off with some skincare. The first product I'm gonna use is from Ren. This is called the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic, and I don't use this every day, maybe every second or third day, and I squeeze some onto my hands, put that straight onto my face. And the reason that I don't use cotton pads is because they actually soak up so much of the product and your skin is kind of just left with a bare minimum. You guys might be able to see that I have some redness around here. I'm not sure where that's from. I've tried a bunch of things, leaving out products, not eating certain things, and nothing's really helping. It just keeps sort of flaring up, especially right after a shower or right after I work out. I just get redness around my nose, but let's just ignore it. The toner is a little bit sticky, so I do wash my hands after. And then I've been using Drunk Elephant. I've been using these products for a while. I use their hydration serum. I do about 1.5 pumps. And I mix that with this oil. This is the Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil, very luxurious. And I do about 3 or 4 drops of this, sometimes even 5, depending on how dry my skin is. Yeah, I'm gonna do 5 today. Treat yourself. Oh, I was gonna do a face mask. Can't be bothered. I just mix that in my hand and then massage that into my face. And I like to massage my face as well in the morning. Sometimes I use a jade roller. Now I'm gonna put on this eye cream. This is also the one from Drunk Elephant. I just use a tiny bit of this. To top this all off, I use the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. This is the Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I just use like half a squeeze of this. Okay, that's everything for skincare. I'm gonna get started with the makeup. I'm just gonna wash my beauty blender. I wash that one every time before I use it. Anything else is disgusting to me. No judgment, but I am judging you if you don't wash your beauty blender. I'm just gonna tie my hair together as well because I'm not a psychopath. I don't understand people who put on makeup without tying up their hair. I don't get it. I know you look cuter, but is it worth it really? I don't understand. For my base, I've been using Bare Minerals products. I use their Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream, and I've been using this for a while. I find that Bare Minerals is quite underrated. I actually love them. And this is the Bare Skin Concealer. I just pop a little bit onto my hand, and then I apply this kind of like I would a moisturizer, just a bit more gentle. I love that this is so easy to use. You just have to wash your hands after. All right, so after I wash my hands, I move on to concealer. And sometimes I definitely put on less makeup. I don't do this every day. Sometimes I just do concealer and I do a lot less. Sometimes I like to do just the tinted moisturizer and no concealer. It just kind of depends on what mood I'm in. And I love these products because you can still see my skin through them. The next products I'm gonna use are these nude sticks. So this is another thing that I've been doing, just using more cream products instead of using a lot of powder products. And I find that also helps with dry skin and yeah, just having a more glowy appearance. And I love these nude sticks because they're super easy to blend. Next off, I'm using the blush, and this is one of my favorite products ever. This is called Sun Kissed, and I honestly can't recommend this product enough. So for this one, I actually love using the little brush, and I actually carry this product with me in my purse now because it's really easy to reapply on the go. I put some on my nose as well. I kind of hope that this tricks people into thinking that I've recently seen some sun. I go back in with the Beauty Blender and just blend that in a little bit more. And now I'm gonna be setting with some powder, and I've been using the Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder. It doesn't really look like powder. It doesn't ever look cakey. It doesn't look dry. It just sets everything really nicely, and this looks so great in photos as well. So I just use a big brush and I do my eyes first, and on my nose and my chin. That's where I kind of do it quite concentrated, and then I take a little bit and tap it off and just kind of roughly do the rest of my face. Before I move on to brows, I'm just gonna clean out my lips. I also put on some lip balm, and I'm gonna do my brows quickly. So I fill them in a little bit. This is from Hourglass, and then I use the Anastasia brow gel still. I always say this, but doing my brows is truly my least favorite step because I find it so boring and stressful at the same time. Okay, I'm gonna put in the brow gel. Hopefully they are looking like sisters. Now is the time where I have to decide what to do with my eyes. So I think today I'm actually gonna do a liner. I'm gonna put this beige shadow on. And then I'm actually gonna grab a blush and add some of that. This is also from Bare Minerals, and this is called Mauve. Just dropped on the ground. What? I'm so confused. This wasn't on the ground for that long, so I'm just gonna use it. Putting that onto my lids as well, just a tiny bit. I just want like a flush of color on my lids instead of just doing a liner and having like empty pale lids, because I feel like that kind of looks awkward. Okay, I'm doing an eyeliner. I'm gonna be doing a little wing, but I've actually been doing mascara first. So I curl my lashes, do my mascara, and then I put on eyeliner. I know it's controversial, but hear me out. Basically, when I do my liner first, I take a long time and then I finally feel like I have the perfect shape. And then I do my lash curler and mascara, and afterwards my eyes look completely different, because for me personally, when I do mascara and I curl my lashes, it completely changes the shape of my eyes. And also I find that when I do liner beforehand and then I curl my lashes, some of the liner will actually come off onto the lash curler no matter how long I wait for it to dry. I still have not switched up my mascara. I still use Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir, and this is still the same Kevin Aucoin lash curler. I always make sure to clean this before I use it. I always get mascara everywhere, and I just clean it up with a Q-tip. Okay, I'm going to let that mascara dry for a second. I'm gonna open my hair at this point just so I can dry properly. Okay, so for my eyeliner, I've been using this one from Hourglass, and I grab a little mirror and I look down and I basically try to continue my lower lash line. And I pick a point somewhere and then connect that to the lower lash line, if that makes sense. That's how I usually start my eyeliner, and then I will take it many different places, and sometimes it works out, sometimes it doesn't. So honestly, pray for me. For my highlighter, I've still been using the Fenty Beauty one. I think this is called Diamond Bomb, Diamond Glow. It's the really sparkly one. Alright, I had to stop filming for a couple of minutes because my SD card ran out of space and I had to get some stuff off of there. Mic's still working, yay! I put on an extra coat of mascara, and I also put on just a basic dark brown eyeliner on my upper waterline just to like darken that up. Now the last thing to do is my lips basically. I'm gonna put on some extra lip balm. And then I'm gonna use Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk liner. This is so good. This is like my favorite lipstick color. I do have the lipstick as well, but I don't think I'm gonna be using that today. I think I'll just use the liner and a gloss on top. So I try not to use too much product because it just dries out my lips. So I just do the outline, I overline a little bit, and then I put some in the center and just go like that. And to finish this off, I'm gonna put on this gloss. This is the Fenty Beauty in Fussy. This is the pink one. And that's the finished makeup, and my hair is still in the process of drying, so it's looking a little bit awkward. But this is not something that I do every single day. I often leave the house without makeup. I don't have an issue with that, and a lot of the times I'll just put on some blush and some mascara and then I'm good to go. But this is something that I do when I want to feel just really nice and put together, when I'm taking photos, or when I just want to really be feeling myself. And I think I look less pale. I don't look like a ghost anymore, or maybe not so much. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.